So this is what your package looks like. Inside you have your cream developer, your cream colour, what you mix with your developer, your plastic gloves, and also your conditioner, what you apply after you have rinsed your colour from the hair. So, you unscrew the lid, open your tube of colour up, pierce it through, and just squeeze all that colour inside the tube. So once you've added your cream to your developer, give it a shake just to make sure that all your products mix thoroughly. So all I'm going to do is apply wherever there's blonde. So wherever there's pre-lightened hair, that's where you want to apply this colour product. You don't want to apply it to the root because there's no blonde there basically, so you're not going to get any pearly silver tone. So again, just apply directly onto dry hair and then just work all the way through that blonde. I'm just emulsifying that product all the way through the hair shaft. This just ensures maximum coverage. So yeah, you can apply this to wet or dry hair, but today we're applying to dry hair just so we get maximum pigment. One of the key benefits of this colour is that it's got honey and marula oil in it. So although you gain a colour, you also gain conditioning properties, and it's also great for spreadability, so it's really easy to get that product really in and saturated and spread really well. So what I always do promote, as well as every other hair colour brand, is I always do a skin test and I always do a strand test. So always patch test your skin 24 to 48 hours before, and also do a strand test because it's easy to see a colour in a box or in a packet, but everybody's hair is different, so see what the colour looks like on one strand, and then if you're happy with the colour, then apply to the rest of the hair. And also, always wear protective gloves. It just basically protects your skin from any of the colour or any of the products inside the colour from doing any harm to your skin. So you get a different colour result on different types of hair just because of what is previously there. So no matter what blonde you are, you will always get a different shade of tone with this colour.